Right. I don't know if he's still there, but Paul was just talking to someone in Bavaria.
Charlie 2, 3582 in London. I copy you. The signal is a little bit smaller. Yeah, Roger, my friend. Yeah, we got you in there, but yeah, I'm struggling with you. It's 26 Charlie Tango 3852. Personal is Paul Papa Alpha Uniform Lima. 30 miles outside of London. Yes, Paul. My name is Martin. Okay, Martin. I think we spoke the other day. Yes, Paul. The weather is a little bit sunny and windy. So 1 degree, 13.
Right, Paul's using a Sirio 2008 that you might have seen in one of my videos, and a CRT 6900, no amplifier, and you know, it does really well for him.
Right, I think you've dropped out again. My transceiver, Paul, is a President McKinley. Roger, yeah, I'm running a Superstar 6900 and Sirio 2008, about 12 foot in the air. The signal is a very...
There you go, that's a good description of Paul's aerial. It's maybe not even as high as 12 feet to the base, but it's doing really well. I'm going to crack on and have a go myself, but in the meantime, thanks for watching. I'm still here, guys.